Hello guys, today I will show you this beautiful dolls tutorial. By the way, my name is Ruby and you know me, I am showing you the dolls and angels and beautiful fairies tutorial. This doll is very easy to make and I'll show you how to make this doll in a very easy way. Stay with me. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, I am taking wool yarn and using 3mm crochet hook. Now I am making 5 chain total and make a slip stitch to join the circle. Okay, it's here. Now I am making 3 chain and in that circle I am making total 11 double crochet. Okay, with the 3 chain it's total 12 double crochet. Okay, I am pulling the yarn to close the gap. It's finished with a slip stitch. Now making 3 chain again, and here I'll give 1 double crochet. There is 2 double crochet counting, and next 2 double crochet in the same stitch, next 2 double crochet in the same stitch. All the stitch I will do 2 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 double crochet. Here I'll get 24 double crochet here. Okay, you see that round number 2 almost complete, and now I am making a slip stitch to join round number 2. It's finished, and now I am going to start round number 3. Here I'll make 1 2 3 4 5 6 chain. In the next stitch I'll make 1 single stitch. Now again 1 2 3 4 5 6. In the next stitch I will make 1 single stitch. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. In the next stitch I will make 1 single stitch. In the same way I will complete the entire round. Okay, you see that here is very easy. 6 chain 1 single stitch, 6 chain 1 single stitch. It's finished. You see that, and 1 2 3 4 5 6, and the last slip stitch. Okay, the round is finished. Here I'll got the lots of petals. Here almost 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 petals. Okay, 24 double crochet and 24 petals. Okay, now I'll make 1 slip stitch, 2 slip stitch, and 3 slip stitch. It's finished. Now again I'll make 6 chain 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now in the next petals I'll make 1 single stitch and 6 chain 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 single stitch, 6 chain 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 single stitch. In the same way I'll complete entire round. Okay, and it's done. I'll do now a slip stitch to join the round. You can see that, and it's finished. And now I'll make the next round. Firstly I'll make 1 slip stitch, 2 slip stitch, now 3 slip stitch. Okay, and now 6 chain 1 2 3 4 5 6, one single stitch in the next petals, and 1 2 3 4 5 6, one single stitch in the next petals or next gap. Okay, in the same way I'll complete entire round, and now I'll make a slip stitch to join the round. Now I'll do 1 2 and 3 slip stitch, and again I'll do 6 chain. And for the beginner you can use the marker. You see that I just showing you. If you are the beginner, you can use the marker of the beginning round. Okay, you see that. Now I'll add the marker and make the third slip stitch. It's just for the beginner. If it has a marker, you can easily find out the beginning point of the round. Okay, so in the same way I'll complete a total of 7 rounds in that project. You can see that. The same way, don't forget it. In the same way, 6 chain 1 single stitch, 6 chain 1 single stitch. Okay, it's complete. Now I am making a slip stitch and making a chain 1 and cut the yarn. Okay, and it's complete of the dress. You see that I am just making here total 7 round. Okay, round number 8 I just add a pink color yarn, and in the same way I'll do 6 chain 1 2 3 4 5 6, and in the next gap I'll make 1 single stitch. In the same way, 6 chain 1 single stitch. I'll continue the entire round in the same way. Okay, it's complete, and now I'll make a slip stitch to join the round. And now it's time to make the border. It's very easy. You see that I'll make just 3 chain 1 2 3, and in the next chain I'll make 1 single stitch. Then again 1 2 3 chain, and next stitch 1 single stitch. Then again 1 2 3 chain, next stitch 1 single stitch. In this way I will complete entire round. You can see that it's very easy. It's just for the borderline. Okay, so I have already finished the whole round, and now making 3 chain and a last slip stitch for the border, and chain 1, cut the yarn. It's complete, you can see, and you have to hide all the yarn very well. You see that I'm hiding the yarn. Okay, now cut the yarn. The dress is ready. You can see that. Now I am going to making the body part. Okay, the body is very easy. Just watch my full video and you will do exact I am doing that. Okay, in the magic circle, chain 1 and make 7 single stitch. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 single stitch, and pull the yarn, close the gap and make a slip stitch to join the circle. Round 2 also 7 single stitch. Okay, every stitch you will have to do 1 single stitch. I will do 1 single stitch in every stitches. Okay, 7 stitches I'll have got total 7 single stitch. Okay, there is no need any increases in round number 2. Round 1, round 2 is the same. Round number 3, I'll do chain 1, and in the same stitch I'll do 1 single stitch and 2 single stitch, and next 1 single stitch, 2 single stitch. That means here I'll do 7 increases. Total I'll have get 14 single stitch total. Okay, 7 single stitch will be 14 single stitch. So in that round I have found total 14 single stitch. Okay, now round number 4, 1 chain and 1 single stitch, 2 single stitch and 3 single stitch on 3 stitches. Okay, you can watch it very carefully. Now I am adding a marker. You see that, just a marker. Okay, and now I am doing 4 double crochet in the same stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4 double crochet. In the next stitch I will do also 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4, total 8 double crochet here. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 8, I'll do a popcorn stitch. Pull up the yarn here, chain 1. It's the sleeve, and now I'll do 6 single stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now another sleeves here, and now I'll do 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and in the next stitch I'll do 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and now I'll make a popcorn stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pull up the yarn here, make chain 1, and now 1 single stitch, 2 single stitch and 1 slip stitch. Okay, it's here complete the body part with 2 slips. And now here I'll get 1 chain and 1, 2, 3, turn the project, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and turn the work 10, 11 and 12 stitches here. Okay, I have got 12 stitches here, and make a slip stitch. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and slip stitch. So here I have done all the stitches with 12 stitch. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Number 8 round total for the body part. And now I will have started round number 9 with 3 chain 1, 2 and 3, and in the same stitch I will do 1 double crochet. Here is 2 double crochet, and in the next 2 double crochet. In that round I'll do 2 double crochet in every stitches. That means 12 stitches I will have. Total 24 double crochet here. Okay, here I'll get 24 double crochet. Okay, and it's finished. And now it's the border line. 3 chain 1 2 3 and make a single stitch in the next stitch, and 3 chain, make a single stitch on the next stitch. Here is the border line. 3 chain, single stitch, 3 chain, single stitch. It's very easy, and the entire round is complete. And now I am just making a slip stitch to join the round. Chain 1, cut the yarn, and you have to hide all the yarn very carefully. Okay, and now I am going to make the border line of the sleeves. I just add the yarn. You see, I just add the yarn, and here I just add yarn and make 3 chain 1 single stitch, 3 chain 1 single stitch. You see that 1 2 3 and 1 single stitch. Okay, 1 2 3 chain 1 single stitch, 1 2 3 chain 1 single stitch. In that way I will do the 2 slips. 3 chain 1 single stitch is the pattern of that round. Okay, you can see that it's just for the border line of the sleeves and the bottom part of the dress. Okay, and now I am making knot with 2 tail yarn, and the yarn I will just go through under the dresses. Okay, you see that I have completed 2 sleeves in the same way. And so guys, that's all I showed today in part 1. I'll show the rest in part 2. And if you have any question about the doll, please comment below. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Until then, everyone stay well and healthy. Bye bye. Tada.